Hi guys, so it's the start to our Vegas trip. We're road tripping from LA to Vegas. We are now in Barstow in this like random old, what is it? Like railway track. Railway part. I'm gonna have McDonald's. They don't do anything vegetarian, so I'm gonna have a fish, fillet, whatever. But yeah, it's pretty weird in here. Road trip, I'm so cliche with my little road trip t-shirt. I'm pretty hungry. Katie is going to meet us in Vegas. Woo! And yeah, we've got a couple of hours to go. But it's pretty cool, seeing all the mountains and stuff, so yeah, I'm excited. Huh? No? So I'm going to take a picture against the phone. Oh, cool. Route 66. Who calling? Ghostbusters? Pegasus, Pegasus. Look here.
Are you rocking in the jail now?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Filming video, innit? Straight ahead! See the stratosphere! Woo! We're in Vegas, baby! So we are by the pool at the Cosmopolitan. If you didn't already know, we got the Penthouse suite. Loving life, drinking daiquiris, and Katie's got a bikini bod because you know she has got a great bikini body.
From the marathon.
So yeah, I can't see anything with sunglasses on in it. It's so hot here, but so nice. But it's really cool because we're sat at the Chelsea pool with the Cosmo, and I can sit under like a little ledge here at the bar, which never happens. So it's quite good. This is in the shade, and then yeah, I can go back in the sun in a minute. I'm wearing a cute bikini from Pretty Little Thing. I'm not even drunk yet. I'm just high on life. I'm always high on life when I'm with this girl. I love her. She's amazing.
Positive vibes only.
Woo! So what happened last night? We didn't take the vlogger camera out.
No, we went to...
I won $20 on the roulette table. PF Chang's, and then Mum and Katie were sick, so got food poisoning.
It was, I haven't had too much to drink.
No, she didn't really drink, but Katie had been up for about 4 million hours because she was flying over here. But yeah, today we'll probably end up getting pissed in the day and then crash out. We could get up at like 2 in the morning.
And then go out again?
Yeah, exactly. So we're only here for 4 nights, so we're going to make the most of this. I'm so excited! We'll show you the pool. Should we show them the pool?
Do you want me to take? I'll take you.
Okay.
I'll take you to the pool.
Katie will take you for a ride.
Cheers.
Cheers, yay.
Happy holiday.
Vegas.
Pool.
Yep. Mum's here. Woo! By the pool. Burning up. Of sewer if she puts me on it.
Sewer.
Yeah.
To your daughter, it sounds like something like, oh no.
For an American, okay, take that
Oh yeah. Hey guys.
Hey, what's up, motherfucker? Hustler. I want $40.
Oh, so there's amazing sign today in this like cowboy shop.
Yeah.
Right at like the store.
That's what Carla keeps saying.
Yeah, it's amazing. That's $100.
Oh, do you know what? I want to go to
The Las Vegas sign.
I want to go to the neon graveyard.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't mind doing that.
Where's that?
Me and Michael are going to go to the outlet tomorrow.
Are you?
Yeah.
Bye.
So, welcome to that. Here's Carla. Hello.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind.
it's laying there.
Where's the club, bitch?
Fucking punch you in the face.
And if you give me a kiss.
No, I've got my sunglasses on the inside. This is our bathroom. Look. The toilet that Katie was sick in last night.
What's the next song? Hang on. Hang on, let me show them out of this. Let me show them out of this window as well. Look at that. Yes.
Full moon, get full moon.
Number 4 now. Go ahead and dash it on the floor now. Go ahead and show me how you go down.
Any crazy? Any wrap it up? Yeah, you always use protection. Oh, that's why she's giving the reserve dance.
What's your channel? What's your channel?
TheAttractiveMan.com.
Oh, okay.
The Attractive Man YouTube channel. Ooh, a G7X. Anyways, last question, I think. Does size matter?
No. No.
Wow.
Carla, give it the big one. He's not trying. Jordan, you're live. Trying gin and tonic for the 50 zillionth time.
She still doesn't like it.
Come on.
Too bitter.
Andy, your arm is
Yes.
famous. Oh, she's thinking about it.
Your arm's going to be famous.
Andy, your arm is now famous.
I don't hate it as much as I hated it in Barcelona.
Good.
What do you like
We've
more?
made a step. We've made a step.
Come on, let's try again.
She can't tell me the answer, how can she?
What do you need?
So these are our friends. Hello, friends. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Carla. Hola. And this dude. Wait, be on our video. Did I just move?
I watched the story. She's cute. Well, you don't quite like that as well.
Oh.
On the tip. Holding TV pie or what? If it was up to time.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias. Et tu?
So it's day a million in.
I'm just going to talk in English now.
Now it's going to be YouTube style. We are by the pool, drinking cocktails.
Absolutely pina coladas.
Strawberry daiquiri, bitch.
Gin and tonic.
I don't like gin, but you know this.
And these are the crew that
Say
we
hi,
have met.
everyone.
So, some are familiar faces.
hi.
She loves the gin.
Some. Jordan likes the gin. Some of the faces.
Jordan.
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 Some of the faces are from last night. However, we'll just do another round.
Why are
that
you on my
can-
tits?
Like an interview. On each person. What's your story? Fucking Jordan. You have to interview yourself.
Yeah, YouTube. Hold the bead.
So this is Daniel. This is a Viking. Shit, what are those guys from 300? What are they called?
Spartans.
That's the Spartan. That's the Brummoi. Sorry, Black Country.
Casper.
And this is the Michelin Man. Strong and tough.
I'll take it. I may as well get in there. Where's Chibi Party?
And that is Chibu Party. Yeah, John and no, exactly 3 minutes.
From the crew.
John.
This is the Chibi
I
Party.
love your crew.
our feast on hardly eaten anything apart from alcohol. Oh wow! No, I've been a bit hungover today. Katie's been walking around Vegas, watching really the sights as I've been in ready. Get the salad. I'll have a pizza. Pizza got some chips. Yeah, it's the last day and I am fucked.
Didn't strip.
You want a strip?
I said I've got loads of videos of the strip.
So Katie was my vlogger today because of my hangover. Carla's loving life. Dying. She's dying too.
They're both, Jordan and Carla are sleep deprived. I'm not sleep deprived because I fell asleep.
She fell asleep. She let the team down. We went to a beach club party, didn't we? 4 hours. A pool party.
In 48 hours.
Rocking the shit out of this Vegas stuff. So we haven't seen a show or anything, have we?
No.
But life goes on. The show must go on.
Okay, Moulin Rouge.
I know. But yeah, today has been a bit bizarre.
Today's been cool. I had awesome pancakes. They were red velvet ones. They were awesome.
Did you vlog them?
I think I did do some.
No, but this trip has been pretty cool. And tiring.
We don't know what to do. Listen, I can't talk. We don't know what to do for dinner tonight. We can't decide whether to go for like a really dirty burger or whether to go for like a nice meal.
I'm a bit like, I don't care.
We need to have a sprinkles ice cream.
I want a sprinkles cupcake.
Sprinkles ice cream.
I haven't had. Should we go to the sprinkles place in a bit, or is that really far?
It isn't, but the thing is, when you look up at the sky line, it's the sky line. When you look up at the sky, nothing looks too far away.
No, it looks weird, doesn't it?
Yeah, but then actually, when you get going, it's quite
Good going.
It's near where that McDonald's was.
Yeah, and then on the same side.
Can you be bothered to walk there now, though, or do you want to do that in the morning?
I'm not. It's only a fucking cupcake in it.
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like I've sworn low.
You are live on Channel 4. Please do not swear. Sorry,
You know what?
we're a bit late for that. Sorry.
I apologise for my appearance. So last night you saw I had a blow dry and my hair was really curly. Now look at it. Here comes Mum.
Here they come.
Say hello.
Jane, you're live on Channel 4. Please don't swear. Michael, you're live on Channel 4. Please don't swear.
He's going to swear.
He
You
is.
know what he's going to say.
Hello,
I'm
Michael.
not going to swear.
What's your name?
Dave.
Right.
Where do you come from?
The moon.
Dave from the moon.
That's 2 questions with no swearing, Michael Spain. I'm impressed.
I'm the patient.
You look like a floating like head.
I'm just the head, guys. I can't handle Vegas. This is what everyone else is going to play. Poker? No, what are you playing?
Blackjack.
Blackjack and roulette. And here's me fucking fucked. It's 9:30. Well, I keep swearing. I need to stop swearing. It's because I'm in Vegas. Tell him what's wrong.
Jordan's really tired and just, yeah. We're flying home tomorrow. How do you feel about that, Jordan?
So, I can't be asked to fly home. So, I want to go back to LA.
I think that you should do a thing where now only wherever you fly you go business class, because you need to, really.
If I could afford it, I would. Oh my god, I actually look dead.
Oh,
how come I look so pale?
Hello.
The wounded.
You look really...
I literally look like a head. I do have a body, I promise. So, Vegas, you ruined me. Bye.
No, no, Jordan.
Bye.
View out over the strip, and then I'll just do another little panoramic. That chair, this chair, this chair is really cool. Oh no!
You know what though, I quite like...
Why isn't that one working? Hello! Good night, Las Vegas.
Oh god. So... So, look, I mean, like... Oh my god, look at the state of me guys. This is what Vegas has done. I look like an actual ghost. Katie looks bronze still, but I am a mess. It's been a long trip, but it's been good. We're on the aeroplane, obviously, on the way home. Excuse the lighting though, I literally look like a mad woman. I look like I've got one eye.
Definitely Vegas is worth a visit.
Vegas is definitely worth a visit. We've had the time of our lives, we've had fun, we've drank too much, gambled a little bit. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I will speak to you